This is unit number 3 of this book, Tom's Parrot. Words to learn are parrot, green, Polly, calls, does, again, goes, takes, mango, find, pecks, and to. This is Tom. Tom has a parrot. The parrot is green. Can you see Tom's parrot? It is sitting in a tree. Tom calls his parrot, Polly, Polly, come here, Polly. The parrot does not come. Tom calls again. Polly, come here, Polly, says Tom. The parrot does not come. Tom calls again. Polly, come here, he says. The parrot does not come. Tom goes to his mom. Can I have a mango, Mom? Says Tom. Yes, Tom, says Tom's mom. Tom goes to find Polly. Polly is sitting in the tree. Tom calls the parrot again. Polly, Polly, come here, says Tom. The parrot sees the mango. The parrot comes to Tom. The parrot pecks the mango. Tom is happy. Polly the parrot is happy too. This was the end of this lecture. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. And if you want to learn more, please like and share my videos and subscribe my channel. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.